unregulated. Your Excellency, with the introduction of this bill, that will now become a thing of the past. The bill mandates the central bank, together with the Capital Markets Authority, with a joint mandate of regulating and licensing players in virtual asset industry. This, Your Excellency, was a discussion between the central bank, the players themselves, and the capital markets because of the expertise that is found in these two public institutions. Therefore, it also establishes a structured, transparent, and enforceable regulatory framework which is designed to ensure that virtual asset activities being practiced in Kenya or from Kenya are conducted in compliance with standards on financial integrity, consumer protection, and anti-money laundering obligations. It provides for licensing of virtual asset providers engaged in activities such as custodial wallet services, virtual asset exchange, trading services, tokenization of real-world assets, payment gateways, brokerage, initial coin offerings, so that all those entities, Your Excellency, will now be licensed and regulated by the Central Bank and Capital Markets Authority. The law also requires that those licensees must also have physical offices in the Republic of Kenya, and that when they are engaging in those services, they must do so within the four corners of integrity. The last bill, Your Excellency, to be placed before you today for your assent is a privatization bill. This is another bill, Your Excellency, that is sponsored by the leader of the majority party on behalf of the executive. The bill, Your Excellency, responds to the decision of High Court which nullified the Privatization Act 2023, largely for what the court said was exclusion of Parliament, exclusion of the National Assembly in approval of privatization proposals. The bill, Your Excellency, having been reintroduced, went through public participation and now has also responded to the concerns of the court and part of the public with respect to the role of Parliament in approving privatization. The bill, Your Excellency, has distinguished between original privatization and dilution of shares in entities which are already privatized or listed in the stock exchange. It gives roles to the Cabinet Secretary, gives roles also to the National Assembly, which are supposed to act within a specified period. The bill sets out methods of privatization, including initial public offers of shares, sale of shares by public tender, sales resulting from exercise of preemptive rights. It also provides for dispute resolution by the authority, and where any person or any entity feels aggrieved, the bill provides that those persons or entities may appeal before the High Court. That, Your Excellency, is the 8th bill placed before you for your assent today. The bill also, in its transition, provides that any ongoing privatization under the repealed law shall be determined and done in accordance with the new law once you are sent to it, Your Excellency, and the new law is published. I now seek your leave, Your Excellency, to end my commission for the day at this point. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Clerk. With Your Excellency's assent, these 8 bills have acquired the full legal force and become a part of the body of the laws of the Republic of Kenya. Your Excellency, as we draw this ceremony to a close, may I most graciously invite you to present a signed copy of the Act to His Excellency the